It is now time for story time with
Daddy Bowen.
We have not had a story time in a while, and today we were at Allie's restaurant where she works called Chick-fil-A.
Are you going to tell me?
Yes, and we got a free book from Chick-fil-A called The Bear Snores On.
Hi, guys.
It's a book that rhymes. So
Hi, Mimi.
I'm going to read this book and see if Aaron can find the rhyming words.
Hi, Mimi and Papa and Ronnie.
Ready, Aaron?
Hi.
In a cave in the woods, in his deep, dark lair, through the long, cold winter, sleeps a great brown
Water.
bear. Has to rhyme. Cuddled in a heap, with his eyes shut tight. He sleeps through the day, and he sleeps through the
Night.
The cold wind howls, and the night sound growls, but the bear snores on. An itty-bitty mouse, pitter-patter tiptoe, creep crawls in the cave from the fluff cold
What? Snow.
Yeah. Mouse squeaks too damp, too dank, too dark, so he lights twigs with a small hot
Tea.
spark. The coals pip-pop and the wind doesn't stop, but the bear snores on.
But the bear snores on. Good night.
Two glowing eyes sneak peek in the den. Mouse cries, "Who's there?" And a hare hops
There.
in. "Hi," Mouse says Hare, "long time no see." So they pop white corn and they brew black
Tea.
tea. Good job. Mouse sips wee slurps. Hare burps big,
Burps.
but the bear snores on. Let's see what happens next. A badger scuttles by, sniffs at the air. "I smell yummy yums. Perhaps we can..."
Sit share.
Good job, that's right. "I brought honey nuts," Badger says with a grin. "Let's divvy them up, cozy down, and dig
Dan.
in." And they nibble and they munch, with a chew, chomp, and a crunch. But the bear snores on. A gopher and a mole tunnel up through the floor. Then a wren and a raven flutter in through the
Hole.
door. Mole mutters, "What a night! What a storm!" Twitters wren. And everybody clutters in the great bear's
Snoring on.
den.
Dan.
They mutter and they twitter, they chat and they chitter, but the bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, a slumbering bear sleeps through the party in his own very lair.
There.
Hare stokes the fire, Mouse seasons stew. Then a small pepper fleck makes the bear
Go through.
go, hachoo! He blows and he sneezes, and the whole crowd freezes. And the bear wakes up. Uh-oh. And the bear gnarls, and he snarls, and he roars, and he rumbles,
Run!
and he jumps, and he stomps, and he growls, and he grumbles. "You snuck in my lair, and you've all had fun. But me, I was sleeping, and I've had..."
A lot of fun.
None. That's good. Good try, though. None. And he whimpers and he moans. He wails and he groans. And the bear blubbers on. Mouse squeaks, "Don't fret. Don't fuss. Look, see. We can pop more corn. We can brew more
Corn.
tea."
Tea.
Bear gulps. Bear gobbles. He sighs with delight. Then he spins tall tales through the blustery
Light.
night. When the sun peeks up on a crisp, clear dawn, Bear can't sleep, but his friends snore on. And remember,
God loves you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.